Welcome to the series of educational videos for the MS21 Plus system. At the beginning, we will show how an external evaluator registers to a specific national subsidy program. Next, we will show where the external evaluator can view the projects and where they can accept or refuse the nomination, where they can access the subsidy application in order to create the evaluation, and finally, where the evaluation is administered. The video is divided into thematic chapters. You can skip to the selected theme. An evaluator, who is not an employee of a managing authority or intermediate body entity, is an external evaluator. An external evaluator must be approved by the program managing authority or intermediate body. This approval is carried out on the basis of completing an application for the external evaluator status. An external evaluator only works within the ISKP21 Plus portal at iskp21.mssf.cz. An application for the external evaluator status may be filled out after logging in the ISKP21 Plus portal and entering the Evaluator module. Click the Evaluator Status Request button in the upper part of the screen. The system then displays the registration form. The form contains compulsory and optional data. The amount of compulsory information you have to provide and the time limits within which you can submit the application for the external evaluator status are always specified by the program managing authority in the rules. The information to be entered relates to you personally. You fill in your educational attainment, language skills, etc. On the Evaluators Programs tab, click the New Record button to select the name of the program to which you want to register. After filling all information, including program-specific data, click the Register Evaluators Request button to sign the record electronically and submit it to review by Managing Authority, Intermediate Body. Detailed information about signatures in MS21 Plus can be found in the Electronic Signature educational video or in the FAQ. You can keep track of your application in the status column in the upper part of the form. The approval process is finished by the Managing Authority's official. The status in the Evaluators program changes to Approved. The nomination of an external evaluator to a project is performed by the Managing Authority in the CSSF21 Plus portal. An external evaluator is informed about their nomination to a project by a dispatch, and they may accept or refuse their nomination. Nomination to project evaluations can be found in the Evaluator module. Before declaring being unbiased, you can view the details of the application under review by clicking the Application button. You can accept the nomination by selecting the project, checking the I declare being unbiased checkbox in the lower part of the screen, and saving the record. In addition to confirming being unbiased, the acceptance of nomination must also be signed electronically using a valid, qualified personal electronic signature certificate. After successfully signing the nomination acceptance, a green seal is displayed, and by clicking the Application button, the system will redirect you to the project where you can start your evaluation. You can generate the assessment by clicking the Create Evaluation button in the left part of the subsidy application menu in the evaluation screen. The newly created assessment contains basic information and the criteria tab intended for the evaluation. The individual evaluations differ in the evaluation stage, round, and evaluator's role, in accordance with the call and program setting. The criteria may be exclusion criteria with satisfied, yes/no options, evaluation criteria cased on scoring, or combined criteria where both principles are merged. A specific feature is evaluation using a set of descriptors that can be selected from a code list. The system converts their values to scoring. Criteria can be edited in bulk by clicking the Edit All button. You can add justification of the value to each criterion in the reasoning column. Save the assessment once you finish editing the criteria. Using the Attach button in the Assessment Attachments screen, you can attach a file to the assessment. You can also add a comment to the evaluation in the Evaluation Details screen. You must finalize the assessment after finishing the work. Finalization will fix the values and end editing of the evaluation. The evaluator's last step is signing the assessment electronically by clicking the Sign button. The assessment is then administered by Managing Authority or Intermediate Body. The assessment may be approved or returned for reworking. The evaluation process result is transition of the subsidy application to the corresponding central status. Detailed procedures and guidelines for the evaluators are also always issued by the Program Managing Authority. Thank you for watching. In case of difficulties or complications, you can contact the user support by sending an email to podpora_ms21@ms21.mssf.cz or by calling to the telephone number +420 800 203 207 on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.